How to download YouTube videos on Android without app. Welcome to our video. So let's answer this straight. There's actually no built-in way to download YouTube videos on Android without the official app support. You might find websites or apps online that claim to do it, but those can be risky. They often come with security issues, pop-ups, or even malwares, so it's not something I'd recommend. The safest and the best option is YouTube Premium. Once you're subscribed, you'll see a download button right under any video in the YouTube app. Just tap it, pick the quality you want, and the video saves directly to your library or downloads tab. Ready to watch offline whenever you need. Premium even lets you go up to higher quality for the best viewing experience. And that's the most reliable way to download YouTube videos on Android. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe for more useful content.